Welcome to Homework Lib.
For this next question, it wants to know whether the proposed mechanism is a plausible mechanism. For it to be a plausible mechanism, it needs to have the sum of all of its elementary reactions equal the overall reaction, and in addition, the rate law for the overall reaction needs to equal the rate law for the slow step. We have a two-step mechanism. First one is fast and reversible. The second step is the slow step. If we sum these up, the overall reaction is 2NO plus Cl2 goes to 2NoCl2. The data that is provided, namely the plot of 1 over the concentration of NO as a function of time gives us a straight line, suggests that it is second order with respect to NO, with the concentration of Cl2 staying constant. This then suggests that the overall reaction is second order in NO. However, from the mechanism, we can write the rate law for the slow step to see if not only the sum of the elementary steps gives us the overall reaction, which it does, but also the rate law for the slow step corresponds to the rate law for the overall reaction, suggesting it is second order in NO. When we write this rate law from the slow step, we end up including an intermediate that is not part of the overall reaction. The inclusion of an intermediate doesn't make sense, so we need to get rid of that. By assuming the first reaction is fast and reversible, then we can assume that the rate in the forward direction equals the rate in the reverse direction because it's fast and reversible. So we can write the rate law for the forward direction based upon the molecularity of the first reaction and set that equal to the rate law for the reverse reaction based upon the molecularity, and then rearrange this equation to solve for the concentration of NoCl2. When we do that, then NoCl2 can be plugged into the rate law for the slow step, and we can get rid of that intermediate. When we do that, we do see that we have a rate law that is second order in NO2. So, based upon the mechanism, it appears that it is a plausible mechanism with the data provided. The last question asks, knowing that it is second order with respect to NO, can you guarantee that it is second order overall? And this is not true because to determine the order overall, we would need to know the order with respect to Cl2 also. We would then sum it to get the overall order. So the only way that the overall order would be 2 would be if the order with respect to Cl2 is 0.